Emerging technologies, particularly artificial intelligence and machine learning, are set to impact 14% of formal jobs, while as much as 32% of skilled and middle-skilled labor, requiring reskilling to remain competitive. Inua AI CEO Humphrey Muchuma says there is need for targeted training to equip digital workers with high-demand skills to ensure that more people have access to well-paying jobs.
Kenya's digital economy is estimated to reach 662 billion shillings by the year 2028, according to a GSMA report. With this rapid growth, demand for highly specialized skills in areas such as artificial intelligence, data analytics, software development, and cybersecurity is surging. However, most of the current workforce are not adequately preparing for the change in skills demand.
32% of what you'd consider skilled to mid-skilled labor is going to need significant either retooling, reskilling, or upskilling in order for them to then continue to have relevance to the market.
ChatGPT is taking over. You can actually write codes using ChatGPT. It can actually do 90% of the code if you program it really well and tell it what you want it to do. So what is the 10%? That is what we need to be focusing on. That is where the industry players need to focus on.
They argue that the path to a competitive and inclusive digital economy lies in its ability to reduce work polarization, as well as incorporate emerging technologies and modernize the education system to address the skills needs in the job market.
We do not have our own either structures or our own platforms. So one of the ways that people can support, and this is probably for entrepreneurs in Kenya and policymakers, is to facilitate the development of Kenya-owned platforms where people can be able to get a decent pay, something more like a Kenyan solution for a Kenyan unemployment problem.
We need to start doing the research, building the quantitative data, and now beginning to build, or using that to build a qualitative analysis that would then inform the policy as well as some of the key changes that need to start happening, for example, even in the education sector.
Maybe, just like we have in high school, they finish their courses within 3 years, the fourth year is just revision. Now, instead of doing the revision piece in campus or tertiary institutions, they are positioning these people in the digital space, telling them how to go to the market, what kind of certification they need to get into to do, having opportunities in internships.
Trevor Ngindo for Prime Edition.